Hey guys, today I will be using and talking about products from an Indian beauty brand called Daughter Earth. I discovered this brand early this year and have tried many of their products. What's unique about them is that their products are formulated with plant-based ingredients. So let's start. Just as we take care of our face, we should take care of our body too. Firstly, I am going to pamper my body and use this Wild Mocha body scrub to exfoliate my hands. It comes in a pink cardboard box packaging which looks so lovely. I fell in love with this box and this is the jar inside it. It is a glass jar that can be reused later on. I really love the packaging. This is the texture. It is slightly thick and creamy, which is great for my dry skin. I am applying it on my damp hands and giving a gentle massage to them. It is feeling so gentle on the skin and the granules are not harsh at all. This scrub is deeply moisturizing and has a gently exfoliating treatment blend of coffee beans and walnut. It smells amazing. Now I am wiping it off with a damp cloth. I am not going to wash it under water because I don't want to lose the nourishment. My skin feels soft, not dry at all. I am really impressed with this scrub. After scrubbing now, I will apply Daughter Earth's Sacred Lotus and Vanilla Body Butter to hydrate my skin. The packaging, as you can see, is similar to the body scrub. The size and quantity is also just the same. The texture is so smooth and creamy. The scent is quite light and refreshing. It's not strong, so those who don't like a strong smell will love this. The texture of this butter is soft and it absorbs into the skin immediately. It hydrates my skin very well and leaves it soft and silky. I have been using it for 2 weeks. I notice my skin more hydrated and plump and smooth after using this butter. Now for my face, I have this Bakuchiol Serum Absolute which I have been using for more than 3 months and loving it. It contains bakuchiol, a plant-based retinol alternative. In my first month of using, I used just 1 drop of the serum to make my skin adapt to it. Then started using 2 drops and it's enough. It has given a good result after 2 months of use. My skin feels plumper, healthier and softer. It has blue light rescue, so I use it during the daytime. I will recommend this serum to all of you because it is for all skin types and you will get the benefits of a plant-based retinol. Next, I will use Dr. Earth Eternal Youth Moisturizer. It comes in this pump jar, which is really convenient. The texture is smooth and creamy. I am using a small amount of the product on my face and neck. I love how it hydrates my skin well and makes it soft and smooth. Again, a great product for all skin types. Before I head out, I will add some color to my lips and cheeks. This coffee nude lip and cheek tint from Dr. Earth is the perfect product to do so. The packaging is so cute, but I would have preferred a lip brush with the pot. The shade is beautiful and perfect for daily use. It's a lovely coffee nude shade which will suit all skin tones. It is gliding on the lips smoothly and giving a full coverage just in 1-2 swipes. The pigmentation is amazing. You can see the coverage of this tint on my lips. I will give a light touch of tint on my cheeks as well. Overall, I have been loving this brand since I started using them early this year. You get some superior quality products with a lot of beneficial ingredients. Highly recommended to all of you. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.